This week we are going to work on the resume and the letterhead. So for the resume, I assume that you already know what to put in your resume and you have all checked your spelling and everything. Um, I only focus on the layout part. So here I have two quite extreme examples. So the one on the left, I think it's too plain for us. It is something everyone can make using Microsoft Word. And the one on the right, there are too much graphic and too much design going on. Um, and I don't like either of them. And I think we should find some balance in between of them. And here I'm going to show you something I like, but I want to say that these are only my personal favorite, and your resume should present who you are, so you can do all kinds of different design from my examples. And my examples are kind of similar. I like quite clean and simple layout, and I like nice font choices and nice contrast between different uh, font levels, and not too many colors going on, and a little graphic or symbols here and there. So these are some design I think work will work well for our majors. I will also show you some examples that I don't like and why. Um, so this one, I think the problem is that this page looks too full to me, and the margin around the page is too narrow. So it seems like this page is too full and doesn't look very comfortable on the eye. But the font choices and color choices are okay. This one is like in contrast to the last one. I think the margin is too wide and the content is only in the center part of the page. But beside this issue, I think this layout and the color choices are very pretty. This one is like the too plain example I showed before. It's like something you can make use a word, and this one is like too much graphic um, example. And this one, I think the text size is not right, and the line spacing between the paragraphs are too small. So this page also seems very full to me. It's like a lot of things going on. And this one, the problem is that the page is not balanced. There are too much empty space on the bottom. So it seems like this resume is not finished. So I hope that your resume is not like this. It should be fit exactly in one page so that people know that you spend some time to plan the layout of your resume. You can do that by adjust the font size or adjust the line spacing. Even though you don't have enough content, you can still make everything fit exactly in one page, like these examples. And the letterhead is just a simplified version of your resume, and you just make it like a letter paper and then you put your cover letter on top of it. So if your resume is something like this, then your letterhead design should be something like this. Um, I've never seen a letterhead with too much content on it, so just make it simple like this. And you don't have to put a real letter on it. I just need to see the design of the letterhead. And this is the example of what the letterhead would look like if your resume look like this.